gases are invisible. We do not pay for them. They cross national boundaries at will, and the problem gets worse and worse. They are directly related to our thirst for oil and gasoline to fuel our cars. They are released during the combustion of fossil fuels used to generate electricity. They emanate from waste. They are throughout society, being created faster than our forests and oceans can absorb them. Now it's time for each of us to take action.
EcoMotion, went to Cal State for a sustainability fair where we first saw this device, and we said to ourselves, you know what, we need to bring this to thermal and we need to show people about the impact of carbon dioxide.
How many of you know about climate change or global warming? Almost everybody, right? This giant sphere behind me, what we call the time bomb, was created to physically represent 1 ton of CO2.
This is what each of you emits every month, and 12 times that per year. So then if you start thinking about your brothers and your sisters and your parents, a huge amount of carbon dioxide is being released into the environment every day, every week, every month, and every year. You guys are going to fix the problem, and our message to you today is that we can fix the problem if we work together. Think about it in really simple terms. About 1/3 of the problem is related to our cars. And another third of the problem is where we live and where we go to school. It's what we call the built environment. It's buildings and it's energy use in buildings. And another third of the problem is what we buy. It's what we buy when we go to Walmart, when we go to the supermarket. We buy lots of stuff, and that stuff takes a lot of energy to produce. Imagine this is the Earth. Where are the greenhouse gases that are causing this problem? The troposphere is the first level of our atmosphere. The troposphere is only 12 miles thick. 12 miles up is where all the greenhouse gases are being captured and causing this problem that's affecting our climate. That's like 2 layers of latex paint on this basketball. Right now, as a global society, more and more carbon dioxide, more and more of these time bombs are being released into this atmosphere and are being caught in this troposphere. 380 parts per million and rising, and we've got to reverse that trend. Otherwise, we're going to be experiencing more fires, more floods, more drought, more hurricanes, more tropical storm Sandy, more freezing crops, more tornadoes. Do we want that? Say it again. Do we want that? No, we do not. We want to reverse the trend and have a better quality of life. This is your future.
I recycle the can into the recycling bin.
Oh my God, it's EcoMan.
Simple ideas like this can help you become a superhero like me and save the planet from evil forces like the Pollutionator.
Oh, the Pollutionator lives on dirty air and trash and polluted water and all of our waste. In fact, our waste makes the Pollutionator stronger.
EcoMan, we meet again!
I should have known you'd showed up here, Pollutionator. You love to spread your filth everywhere.
Oh, EcoMan, when are you going to learn? Nobody cares about this Earth. I won't stop until all the trees are cut down, till sewage fills all the oceans, and the sky is filled with blackness. This bomb bomb is just the beginning of my dastardly plan to defeat you forever!
Oh no! I was afraid of this. The time bomb. When did this get here? With every good idea, you will become weaker and weaker and weaker. And our we do have good ideas, don't we?
Use a bike.
Take shorter showers. We can say by carpooling.
By keeping the lights off when I don't need them.
Plant native trees.
Recycle paper and bottles.
Ride a bike to the store instead of your car.
Keep lights off during the day. Mitigate water uses. Turning off the TV when I'm not using it. You know?
Planting native plants in my house.
And I ride the bus everywhere I go.
I plan to turn off all electronics, electricity, and lights when not in use.
Don't blow dry my hair and just air dry it. Wait for it to naturally dry.
Yes, the pollutionator's getting weaker. Do you have ideas, friends? Shout them out! Shout them out! Tell me your ideas! Yes! Yes! Yes, it's working! What more? What more? These are the good ideas that will defeat the pollutionator. I think it's worked. I think we've got it defeated.
How could this happen? Oh no! Well, you just wait, EcoMan. I'll be back!
It won't do you any good. We care about our Earth, and now we all know how to defeat you.
We need to change what kind of cars we drive in general.
Okay, I think we should have more solar panels to save electricity.
You can play less video games and go outside and actually have fun.
Water your lawn at night. Help fix the cars around here and make them either more electric or like hydrogen fuel cell cars.
Turn the faucet off when you're brushing your teeth.
Is I walk or I use a skateboard or a bike. Anything that has to do with activity and motion of my body, because that is a thing that I'm saving the planet and also I'm saving myself and my health.
You can get a reusable water bottle, like a bobble, like I have, and it has carbon things, so it's like you're drinking filtered water, which is better for your body, and it's also saving the environment.
I want to thank Art Kimball for helping us coordinate this and all of the principals. Thank you so much for having us here. So, troops, save a ton, save a ton. Thank you everybody for letting us be here. You've been so awesome.
There are many ways to take action, some very simple and others more sophisticated. Mitigation measures range from behaviors such as turning off lights to investments in clean fuels for transportation and solar thermal and electric systems. Effective climate action planning will allow our society to thrive and prosper while we reverse a destructive course that cannot continue. It's time to take this message of concern, direction, and action to the next generation. The emissions time bomb shows off the magnitude of the problem. It is a form of shock and awe. The Save a Ton campaign makes clear how each of us can easily make a difference of significant scale. Through collective action, our society can turn the threat of climate change into a new prosperity.